When you just begin meditation and a stage comes where you are almost dissolving away, and somehow the system interprets as if you're going to die, but that's not going to be the death. In fact, you are transcending your own consciousness. I have come across few individuals, out of 100, I have noticed 3 to 4 individuals who would be afraid of going deeper within while they are meditating. When you just begin meditation and a stage comes where you are almost dissolving away, and somehow the system interprets as if you're going to die, but that's not going to be the death. In fact, you are transcending your own consciousness. And that's when we get a feeling that I am dissolving completely. It's like a flame which is lighted up. And when it's moving so fast and suddenly you're afraid that because of the wind, the flame might get put off. But that's not going to happen. This fear is there in many people. I also had once a fear when I was actually replicating the process of death, which is there described in one of the yogis' books, and especially our Grand Master DAAJI Maharaj is written what actually happens at the moment of death. And I was replicating that how from Muladhar to Swadhisthana to Manipur to this heart chakra and then Kanta chakra, things gets dissolved little by little dissolved, and then the soul escapes from the chakra that is here, they call Brahmarandra. And if you like to know about this chakra, many Jewish people, they wear that cap, that black cap, or many Hindu priests, they wear a ponytail. That's the area. But if you draw this, when you have this earlobes, the bottom part, you join a line here, and then from there you take 4 fingers above. Exactly there, that's a point where from the soul leaves the body at the moment of death, especially in people who are liberated during their lifetime. So I was withdrawing from basal plexus and allowing it to move to the heart and go. So it started actually moving, and I was almost on the last verge of escaping and leaving the body. That's when this fear crept in. Okay, what if I leave now? Body will be dropped dead, and what will happen to the family, and what will happen to me next? So I suddenly realized this and stopped this exercise. But during meditation, when we are withdrawing our attention, the consciousness into the heart, and it becomes single-pointed, our habit is to remain aware 360 degrees outside. But during meditation, when the consciousness collapses within the heart, some people do find it frightening. So I wish you, whenever you have this, immediately you can write to Brian and ask for a meditation session with him, and he will make sure that that fear is no longer there.